Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Forest on mobile. Since the game isn't natively available, we'll explore cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the full PC version directly to your device. You'll need a strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and a compatible Bluetooth controller for the best experience. This method allows you to enjoy the expansive survival horror game anywhere. To begin, you'll need to select a cloud gaming service. Popular options include Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and NetBoom. These platforms host the game on powerful servers and stream the video feed to your mobile device. Always check their game library to ensure The Forest is supported. Many services offer different subscription tiers, so compare features and pricing to find the best fit for your gaming needs. Next, prepare your mobile device. Confirm it meets the cloud service's operating system and hardware requirements. Download the official app from your device's app store. For the best control, pair a Bluetooth gamepad, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, with your phone. Crucially, connect to a fast and stable Wi-Fi network, ideally a 5 GHz band, to minimize latency and ensure smooth streaming. With everything set up, open the cloud gaming app and log into your account. Navigate to the game library and search for The Forest. Once found, simply click to launch the game. You can then adjust graphics and control settings to your preference. You'll be playing the full PC version, streamed directly to your mobile device, offering an immersive survival experience on the go.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.